Hello, my little artist. Today we're drawing a big colorful rooster. Do you know what sound a rooster makes? Let's say it together. So loud and cheerful. Roosters love to eat grains and corn. Yummy! Can you imagine feeding him some? Great job! He also lives on a farm with chickens, cows, and maybe even sheep. Have you ever seen a farm? Now let's add the wings. The big tail with many feathers and his little feet. You're doing wonderful. Such careful artist you are. And guess what? You can color your rooster any way you like. Maybe rainbow feathers or golden wings. There's no wrong way. Use crayons, pencils, markers, or even paints. Your rooster is already looking fantastic. Clap for yourself. For coloring, you can use red, yellow, green, blue, or even rainbow colors. Remember, there's no wrong way. You can color him any way you like. Just be careful. But don't worry if it's not perfect. It's still wonderful. If you're having fun drawing with me, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Happy Pencil so we can draw many more amazing things together. Give yourself a big clap again. Thank you for drawing with me today. Actually, see you next time, my little artist. Love you all and wish you the best.